In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your PayPal mobile app on your Android smartphone. So if you are having problems with your PayPal, either PayPal mobile app or PayPal for Business mobile app, maybe it is not opening or it keeps on crashing, then all you need to do is to go to settings and then look for apps. And here is our apps option. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any Android smartphone. So from here, go and look for manage apps. And then this will open all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Now scroll down and look for PayPal. And as you can see, my PayPal mobile app is here. Tap on it to open. What we need to do here is to clear data so that our app may get a fresh new start. If you go to storage, you can see we have cache data. And this might be one of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning. Let's go ahead and clear cache. To clear cache, all you need to do is to come down here and you will see cache data button. Tap on it to open. So here, select the clear cache option and then OK. And as you can see, our cache data has been zeroed. Now from here, you may want to go and restart your smartphone and then try opening your PayPal app. It should work well. However, should you still find a problem or a challenge with it, then you still have to come here. And then this time round, go again and tap on clear data. Then instead of tapping on clear cache, tap on clear all data. So this will go ahead and clear everything, including your credentials. So you'll have to log in afresh. So go ahead and tap on OK to confirm your selection. From here, your app should work well. However, if you're still experiencing any problem or any challenge, then go to Play Store and open it. Then look for the PayPal mobile app. Now from here, look for any update if it is available. For my case, I don't have any update. But if you find an update available here, go ahead and update your PayPal Android app. Then go back and try opening your app and it should work well. But should you still have a glitch, then you may want to go ahead and uninstall your app and then install it afresh through the Play Store. So by following any of those, you should be able to troubleshoot your PayPal app and then it should start working just fine. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if you liked this video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.